Welcome to Formesmade. We're going to learn how to fillet crochet. These are just few examples that I've created just to show how the outcome of your fillet project can look like, depending on the yarn that you've used, the hook size, and also the design that you've chosen. So for this one, I've used, I'll just label them. So for this one, I've used 100% cotton, and that's a super fine yarn, and I've used a 2.0mm hook, and this is how the design look like. And this one is 100% mercerized cotton yarn, and I've used a 1.50mm hook. And this one is 100% acrylic DK yarn, and I've used 3.50mm hook. So you can see that each design look different depending on the type of yarn that I've used, the hook size, and also the design that I've chosen. So this is just to show you how different fillet project can look like. So I'm just going to show you how to do a simple fillet crochet design. We're going to use 100% cotton yarn, and this one recommends to use the 3 or between 3 to 3.5mm, but I'll be using a 2mm crochet hook. So I'm going to be using the design that is on the screen. So we're not gonna chain 15. We need to double the number. I'll start with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain, so the slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 30. And then from here, we're going to chain 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need to create the first open box. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the 6th stitch from the hook, I'm going to yarn over and create a box. And from here, chain 1, and then skip 1 and create another box. Chain 1 and create another box. So all we're doing is we're creating the first row that's got open boxes, you skip 1 stitch and go into the next with a double crochet. We are left with one more box to complete. So this is what we've got. So I'm going to count to see if we've got 15 boxes. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So that's the correct number that we've got. From here, I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to turn my work, and we're going to continue the second row that shows that we need to do empty boxes again. So we continue with placing double crochet, skipping one stitch, and continue with double crochet. We need to put to create another box. So skip one chain, which is here, and pull double crochet into the next stitch from this chain. Okay, so we've come to the end of row 2, and we need to do row 3. So 1, 2, 3, and we turn our work, and we're going to start row 3. That shows that we need to create 1, 2, 3, 4 open boxes. So 1, chain, 2, 3, and 4. After the 4 open boxes, it shows 2 closed boxes, but we need to double this number. So instead of 2, it's going to be 4 double crochet. So we're not going to chain, we're just going to go into the next stitch, which is here, and put double crochet into this stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then from here we need to create 1, 2, 3 open boxes. So we need to chain and we're skipping this chain because we're not doing closed boxes, we're doing open boxes. So we do 1, 2, and 3. Okay. When we look at the graph, it shows that we need to create 2 closed box, so that means we need to double this number, so that will be 4. So we're not chaining, we're just going straight into this stitch, and creating 4 double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we need to create 1, 2, 3, 4 open boxes. So chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so skip 1 stitch and go into the next stitch and create a box. We've gone to row 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and we're going back again, so we need to create 3 open boxes. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then we've got the closed boxes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's going to be 8 instead of 4. And we're not chaining, we're going straight into the next stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and 8. And then we've got 1 open box. We've got 1 open box, so we're going to chain and create 1 open box here. And we continue again, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 closed boxes. So that's 1. We've got 4 closed boxes, and we need to double the number, so that will be 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. And then we've got 1, 2, 3 open boxes that we need to create. So we chain 1 and then 1, 2, chain, and skip 1 stitch and go into the next with a double crochet. And now we're going into row 5, so we need to start with 1, 2, 3, turn your work. We need to create 3 open boxes. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and from here you can see that we've got 1, 2 closed boxes, so that means we need to double this number, so that'll be, instead of 2, we're gonna do 4 double crochet. So from here we don't chain, we just go into the next stitch and we're creating 4 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then after this we need to create 1 open box. So chain 1 and skip 1 stitch and go into the next to create a box. And from here we can see that we've got 1, 2, 3 closed boxes, so we need to double this number, so that will be 6. So we're not chaining, we're going straight into the next stitch with 1, 2, 3, which is this stitch, 4, 5, and 6. And after this we're creating 1 more box. So chain 1 and skip 1 stitch and create an open box. And after this we've got 2 closed boxes, so we're creating 4, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. Then after this we need to create 1, 2, 3 open boxes. So chain 1 and create a box. So that's 1, 2, and skip this chain here and go into the next to create a box. Okay, so we finished row 5 and now we're gonna go to row 6. So we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, okay, and we're going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4 open boxes on row 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 'So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4 open boxes. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 closed boxes, and we need to double this. That means we need to create 14 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, so we've created 14 closed boxes, and now we need to create 1, 2, 3, 4 open boxes. So chain 1 and create the box. So skip 1 stitch and create open boxes. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we finished row 6, and now we're going to go to row 7. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and then now we need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 open boxes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So skip 1 stitch here and 5. So we've done 5 open boxes. So now we need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 closed boxes. And we need to double this, so that'll be 10. So we need to do 10 double crochet. So we're not chaining, we're just going straight into the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we need to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 open boxes. So chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then now we're going to row 8. Okay, so we going to chain 3, turn your work, and then we need to do 2 open boxes. So 1 and 2. And from here we need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 close boxes, and we need to double this, so that will be 22. So we're doing 22 double crochet, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Okay, from here we need to create 2 open boxes. So chain 1 and go 1 and 2. We've completed row 8, so now we need to go to row 9. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, and turn my work, and we need to create 1 open box. So that's 1, and then we need to make 1, 2, 3 closed boxes. So we need to double this one. That means we need to create 6. After this, we need to create 2 open boxes. So chain 1, skip 1 stitch and go into the next to create a box. Then chain and do another box. After this, we need to create 3 closed boxes. We need to double this, so that will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After this, we've got 2 open boxes. So chain and skip 1 stitch and go into the next and create a box. Then we've got 1, 2, 3 closed boxes. So we need to double this, so that will be 6 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then after this, we need to create 1 box. So this is row 9 and we need to go to row 10. So chain 1, 2, 3, return our work. So row 10 is showing that we need to create 1 box and then 2 closed boxes. We need to double this, that will be 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. After this, we need to create 2 open boxes. So chain and create a box. That's 1 and 2. And then we need to create 2 closed boxes. That's we need to double that. That will be 4. And that's 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. Then after this, we need to create 1 open box. So chain and skip 1 stitch and go into the next. And then we need to create 2 more closed boxes, so we double this, and it's going to be 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 2 more open boxes. To skip this, I'm going to the next. So that's 1 and 2. After this, we've got 2 closed boxes, and that means we need to double this, so that will be 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we need to create 1 more box. Okay, so we're done with row 10, and then now we're going to go to 11. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work. So row 11, we need to start with 1 box, 1 open box, and then after this, we need to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 closed boxes. That means we need to double these, and that will be 10. So that will be 10 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we need to create 3 open boxes. So that's chain 1, skip 1 stitch, that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then we need to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 closed boxes. So that means we need to double these, and that'll be 10. Double crochet, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then chain 1 and skip 1 stitch here, and you create an open box. Okay, so this is row 11 that we've completed. Now we need to go to row 12. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and row 12 we need to create 1, 2 open boxes. After this, it shows that it shows 3 closed boxes, but we need to double this, and that will be 6 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we need to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 open boxes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now we've got 1, 2, 3 closed boxes, and we need to double this, so that will be 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After this, we need to create 2 open boxes. That'll be 1 and 2. We finish row 12, we need to go to row 13. We'll go to row 13, that's 1, 2, 3, chain, turn your work. Row 13 shows that we need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 open boxes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After this, shows that we need to create 1 closed box, so that will be 2 double crochet. That's 1 and 2. After this, we need to create 1 open box, and then create 1 closed box, and it means that we need to double this, so that will be 1 and 2 double crochet. And then after this, we need to create 6 open boxes. So we chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we finished row 13, and row 14 shows that we need to create 15 open boxes. So chain 3, turn your work. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So that's row 14 done, and we need to finish with row 15. That shows that we need to create 15 open boxes. So that's 1, 2, 3, turn your work. We're really going to do 15 open boxes. So we're done with our project, and this is how our filet crochet design look like.